Hello folks, it's Nova Scotia Model Railroader. I just got this package today from eBay. It's a bunch of model railroading stuff, and inside is about 10 pounds worth of stuff. I haven't opened it yet. So anyway, that's what we're going to be doing. So this is going to be a first time for an unboxing video. I have no idea how this thing's going to go, so it's all live reactions and all this crazy stuff. Anyway, I'm just going to set the camera down. I'm going to just check out something here. I'll just sit you guys there for a minute. Alright, first of all here, just get the paperwork off because so, let's see. I'm going to try to do this one-handed here. Sorry, I got to sit you guys down again. I've never done these type of videos before, so I do apologize. This isn't exactly the best way to do it. Alright, I'll just open the box. Okay, now let's see what we got. I have no idea what's in it. I didn't ask the seller what the contents was or anything, so. Okay. Bunch of papers. Newspapers. This is interesting. So off the bat, we got some cars. Nice. I'll put these aside. Definitely some very interesting pieces in here so far. That's thanks for occurring. Put this stuff aside. That's nice. Oh, these are nice cars. Actually. I think that's a cargo car carrier. There's a couple of Thomas. Yeah, I think that's James. That's cool, actually. Tender. Truck. Another one of these flat cars. Great Northern. Okay, that's another Thomas piece. This is. Oh, that's a nice car. New York Central Lines. That's is that a diner? I'm not sure if that's a diner. I can't. I'm just gonna move some stuff out of the way here. We got a bunch of parts. Oh yeah, some more Thomas stuff. I haven't seen one of those in a while. I know a young guy who would like these. Apple car. What do you got here? That looks like a steam locomotive. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it is actually. That's open that up a little later. Some more cars. Alright, what else we got here? That's oh, that's cool. That's another steam engine. What do we got here? It's really hard doing this two-hand. Oh, there's a bridge and another box car. Missing some track. Good little project piece, I guess. Sorry, folks. I'll set that aside for now. Next, we have got stuff going everywhere. It's really hard doing this one hand. I've never seen that car before. That's yeah, it's a nice car actually. What else we got in this bag? surprise bag here. I wasn't sure what I was going to be getting with this, and I was thinking, oh, you never know. Turns out, this box is full of surprises. That's the last item in the... Oh, it's one of those light cars. I already have one of these, but that's another one of those bridges. A couple of broken pieces, but that's common. Shipping stuff with let you guys down because it's got a little hard to do this. Here we are. Now these are nice pieces. Got a couple of Pennsylvania cars. A combine. I believe that's a diner or a coach. I can't remember. It's a coach. Set those there. It's a wheel. A couple wheels or something else. And then we've got here. Hold on a second. Sorry about this, folks. I have to do this. Oh, here's another one of those coach cars. That's a nice piece. Those are okay. Then now let's check out the smaller box. What we've got in this. Now, let's sit you guys down a minute while I open this thing. Oh, this is interesting. So we've got a box full of, looks like some bridge trusses. Very nice. Brick wall pieces. A frame or chassis to something. Platform with some passengers. Little crane. Pretty cool. More bridge pieces. Swing set in there too somewhere. Some wheels. I'll just try to get the wheels here. Here's another one of those Thomas and Friends. That also goes with it. It's an old Model T, I think. These are actually collectible for certain people. Those older cars. There's another one. That's a nice one. That's a Camaro, I think. I can't remember. Nice muscle car. Another. Oh, that's the old wooden style. Okay, these are quite rare. I think I don't know much about the Thomas and Friends stuff anymore. I don't know what that's for. A little pump cart. Too bad it's busted. Some more odds and ends. A little tiny train thing. Some tunnel piers. Oh, I think that's wiring. Okay, definitely could use some more wiring. Wiring's always a good thing to have for modeling. Yeah, these smaller items are all busted up a little bit. Alright, let's take a look at this locomotive. Or these two locomotives here that... Okay. So, all in all, that's about the stuff we've got, which... Yeah, not too shabby. I mean, it's pretty good. Well, up there. Take a look and see what this actually is. Yeah. Oh, okay. It's 240. Tender driven. I've seen one of these guys before. If I remember correctly, this is either a Tyco or a Matua. It's Tyco. Drive looks in really good condition. Oh, light. Sorry, it's a little hard to hold the camera. Steam engine. This guy here. Let's set you guys down a minute. I do apologize for not having a tripod. This is rather difficult. Oh, okay. It's one of these. I'll show you what this is. It's one of these guys. Oh, something's up with my GoPro here. Oh, it's just giving me an auto. It's one of these tea kettles. Alright. Well, I guess your question is as interesting as mine. So yeah, it's a nice little haul. Although, well, there you go. Alright, let's check these locomotives out and see if they work. Alright, we got power to the layout here, so let's see if this one runs. Now, these models are not the greatest, but we'll see what we got here. Oh, wrong side. Well, it works. That's a surprise. It runs not the greatest, but interesting. Sit you there. Yeah. And we'll give this one a shot, see what this one does. All right. Ooh. That does not sound healthy. Well, it runs, kinda, but that motor really needs some TLC. I'm gonna have to take this one apart and clean the motor. But hey. Alright folks, that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I had fun with it. It was something different for the channel. Anyway, we'll see you guys later. Bye now. Be well.